We all know the difference between a good and great product pages and their impact on the customer's shopping experience. A product page that looks like this will retain customer attention more than a page that looks like this. For best product options, I've used multiple plugins for this tutorial, and here are my top 3 choices. Let's go through the pros and cons of each. The first plugin I used was WooCommerce product add-on. This plugin allows you to add basic extra product options like checkboxes, text fields, and also supports conditional logic. The only con is that it charges this much, which is expensive for such basic features. The next one is WooCommerce product options by Barnes2. It has a wide range of product options including text fields, checkboxes, date pickers, and file uploads. It also allows conditional logic for precise selection, and the setup interface is beginners friendly, so you don't need extensive technical knowledge. Now, it throws a learning curve if you are a beginner trying to use the advanced options, and it does require a yearly subscription to access these options. The third plugin is by YITH, and it has all the basic product options that you want along with customizable layouts. But if you want a color picker or number options, you need to buy the premium version, which is gonna cause a dent of this much. So it's perfectly clear that Barnes2 stands out from the rest. So let me show you how we can set it up. So on my WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugin, and upload the plugin by clicking here. Once done, let's install and activate it. Once the setup is done, I'm going to create product options. So for that, let's click on add group. Now I'm going to click on my site and I'll pick this product to create product options for. So let's head back to my dashboard and fill these options. The first option is name of the group. So let's quickly name it. Moving on to the next. Here I can show this group on all products globally or certain products. I'll go with the second option. The third category is inclusions, and I'm going to include this under accessories. The next category is exclusions, which I'm going to keep nil. Now comes the fun part. The first option I'm going to create is called gold quality. So I'll add the name here. Now I can choose how I want the option to appear on the page from these options. I'll set this one as radio buttons. Here I'm going to add labels and set a pricing clause to it if my customers select any of the labels. I'm going to create 3 labels and I'll make this one as default. When customers select this option, they will automatically see this label and then they can change it depending upon what they want. Next, I'm going to add a description, which is going to be the heading for this product option. Let's make this one as required. And if you want a conditional logic, you can select advanced settings and create one here. This option is done. So let's see how it looks on my product page. I'll go to my site, refresh the page, and these are the 3 options that we created. Next, let's create another group, but this time with drop-down option. Before we move on, we need to make sure that our site is fast, because adding customizations like these can slow down even a new website and drive away visitors. So I'll go to elif.net, sign up from here, enter my website URL, and click continue. Elif will now optimize your site, and it does everything that your site needs for a 90+ score, like caching, image optimization, lazy loading, and everything else. That's why you don't need to use multiple plugins for performance anymore. Just Elif is enough. The visual regression will also help you detect if any changes happened on your site. And in the rare occurrence, if you don't get a 90+ speed score, you can just ping the free support here and they'll take care of it. Now, let's move on to the next step. So, I'll click on add new, give it a name, and change visibility to this. I want my product option on all the products under the dresses category. So let's put the category name here and check my desired category from here. Let's choose our option now and select drop down. Put all the options here, and if you want to keep any default selection, then you can toggle this switch. I'll put my description here and save changes by clicking here. Let's see how it looks. So I'll go to my product page, and here is my drop down option. If you want to charge extra for customization like this, then we will use a function called conditional logic. So I'll go ahead and create an option for material. So let's put the category name here and check my desired category from here. Let's choose our option now. Let's put up a name here. Choose this option. Enter a label here and check these options. Next, I'll create an option to select sizes using the same steps. And enter all the sizes in the choices section like this. Now comes the interesting part. I want to charge extra for large and extra large, so I'll put additional charges here like this. To apply conditional logic, click on Advanced, and here we will add our logic. Now, I want to give a list of choices when someone clicks on material. So from this drop down, choose material, and from comparison, choose this. To make sure these options appear on all the choices, I will change this to all. Now, when someone clicks on material, they will be given a text field to enter the kind of material they want and then choose their desired size. This is just a basic example, but using the same steps, you can create your own customized variable options. Comment below if you have any doubts and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.